Wall Street Shooter, and I'm checking in for the gang. Happy Monday, everybody. Hope everybody had a good weekend. This is a trade recap, baby. We made 2 trades today. Let's just get right into it, man. Let's go. Listen, as you're checking the chart right now, I got SPY up. You already know how I feel about Bay. You know what I'm saying? That's Bay. Easy peasy, man. If you watch my watch list off of Sunday, you already know I was eyeing SPY and also Roblox. So I hit SPY. Simple trade strategy, pre-market breakthrough. We got in there, got it lit. Got my pre-market already set. I got my high sitting right above about 391. Got the lows when I plotted it about 390. Now I did see it dipped here about 530. I woke up about 4, checked the pre-market, went back to sleep. When I got up at 6, I saw that we did dip. So I did make the adjustment and make sure I marked 390 out there. But as far as my pre-market range, I was pretty comfortable about 394-ish. Roughly about 30-something cents. So I wasn't really bugging on that. So I definitely wanted to play the momentum. I know everything was running hot from last week. Again, I mentioned that in the watch list, on Sunday's watch list, so I knew there would be probably some pullback. We was overextended to the 9 and 8 on the daily, so I was really bearish. Not for the whole day, but just as far as the opening range. So I just wanted to make sure that what I was feeling was confirmed. And once I saw that bounce off of 391.38, I jumped. I jumped in at 394 when we rejected that level. As soon as we broke that level, I jumped in. I caught majority of this candle here, the slight pullback, and I got at 388 for roughly over about a 30% buster. So I was cool with that. Made the call in the Discord. And it was easy peasy from that front for SPY. So that was the first trade. Nice 30%er. You know, I like to keep it anywhere between 20 and 30%. If I catch a 40% move, I'm all about it. But I don't like to overextend myself when it comes to scalping these plays. I like to get my shillings. I like to get the hell up out of there. So that was a nice little play. That was my only play on SPY today. As you see, she got a little choppy seas here, but I was watching. I thought about making this play right here to the upside, but I didn't want to donate any more money back to the market, so I kind of just stepped away from SPY. So that was trade number 1. My next trade for the day was Roblox. And you know, just based off, and I'm going to go to the daily real quick, you guys know that I was very bearish on this, and the reason why is just because Roblox has been running. She's been running for a few days now, all last week, 5 days, a green candle, decent value. Friday was a large value, and you can see, as I always mention, man, we're super overextended from the 9 EMA. So I was definitely playing that in my favor. Let's get into it. Let's break this down into a little 5-minute range. Boom. Got my pre-market set, $36.65. Again, if you watch the watch list, we already talked about these levels. 35.76 was the bottom. It stayed pretty much in that range. Even when I got up at 4 and double checked them, that range was set pretty well. So again, I was very bearish from the get-go. Just went into it, knew that we was already overextended, and I was looking for downside the whole time. As soon as we came up out the gate, we broke that $36 range off the pre-market. Boom, jumped into that. Took a quick scalp. Off this candle here, got out about 35.5, and I took a nice 20% gainer off that, and that was it off those 2 trades. I did SPY and I hit Robux, and I actually left some swingers. I was gonna just day trade this, and I even put it in the chat that I was looking at day trading and swing trade, but once I got into play and it moved so quickly, I just got in there and got a quick 20, and I let the rest of it run. So right now I'm definitely down. I'm down on the swing, but I'm very confident that this will pull back tomorrow for more down movement, especially with the Fed speaking this week. So those are my 2 trades that I took: SPY, Roblox, and just kind of chilled out for the rest of the day, man, making content. But if you stayed this long, I appreciate you. Make sure you don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share the content if you think it's fire. If you talk in the chat, I talk back. And click the notification gang if you really rocking with the kid, man. I got more content in the tube, so I'm going to be rolling them out on y'all, man. So I appreciate y'all taking the time out to just even hit the kids page. And we're going to keep it pumping, man. It's your boy, Wall Street Shooter. And this is not financial advice. Peace, y'all.